Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets A to Z. Kids, let's learn the names of the color. Yellow color, blue color, red color, green color, white color, and black color. Kids, now coloring alphabets A to Z. Kids, first draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use yellow color. Yellow color, the alphabets of A. Kids, again use yellow color and draw B. B for ball, B for bat, the alphabets of B. Kids, now draw C. C for cat, C for car, the alphabets of C, and use blue color. Blue color, kids, again use blue color and draw D. D for dog, D for doll, the alphabets of D. Kids, now draw E. E for egg, E for elephant, the alphabets of E, and use red color. Red color, F. F for fish, F for fan, the alphabets of F. G. G for goat, G for grapes, the alphabets of G, and again use red color. Red color. Kids, now draw H. H for hand, H for helicopter, the alphabets of H, and use green color. Green color. I. I for ice, I for ice cream, the alphabets of I. Kids, now draw J. J for joker, J for jackfruit, the alphabets of J, and use white color. White color. K. K for kite, K for king, the alphabets of K. Kids, now draw L. L for lion, L for lemon, the alphabets of L, and use black color. Black color. M. M for moon, M for mango, the alphabets of M. Kids, again use black color and draw N. N for nose, N for nest, the alphabets of N. Kids, now draw O. O for orange, O for octopus, the alphabets of O, and use yellow color. Yellow color. P. P for parrot, P for penguin, the alphabets of P. Kids, now draw Q. Q for queen, Q for quill, the alphabets of Q, and use blue color. blue color. R for rose, R for rice, the alphabets of R. It's neither S for sun, S for snake, the alphabets of S, and use red color. T for teacher, T for tiger, the alphabets of T, and again use red color. Kids, neither U for umbrella, U for uncle, the alphabets of U, and use green color. Kids, again use green color and draw V for van, V for vanilla, the alphabets of V. Kids, neither W for wallet, W for watch, the alphabets of W, and use white color. Kids, again use white color and draw X for X-ray, X for xylophone, the alphabets of X. Kids, neither Y for yak, Y for yo-yo, the alphabets of Y, and use black color. Kids, again use black color and draw Z for zebra, Z for zoo, the alphabets of Z. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.